Not only does the best jogging stroller make the world a bit more accessible, but it can also provide such a smooth ride that babies are rocked straight to sleep or at least have enough comfort to enjoy the ride. There are many jogging strollers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best jogging strollers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Chico Active 3 Jogging Stroller. The Active 3 Jogging Stroller is the prime contender as the most affordable jogging stroller. Combining the features of a full-size stroller and a jogger, the Active 3 offers versatile functionality at any pace. A lightweight aluminum frame and sleek 3-wheel design are easy to maneuver. FlexCore rear suspension adjusts for smooth or rugged terrains, and foam-filled tires perform like air-filled tires but require no maintenance. An extendable OPF 50 canopy with peekaboo windows and reflective details offers parents peace of mind on whatever road they're on. There's also a height-adjustable padded handle, a soft parent tray with 2 cup holders, and a large storage basket accessible from the front and back of the stroller, providing added convenience. It's important to note that this stroller is only rated up to around 50 pounds, something to keep in mind as your littles grow bigger. Number 2. Thule Urban Jogging Stroller. Thule is synonymous with practical luxury goods, and this stroller is the reason why. The Thule Urban Glide 3 rides nicely and can be put together in a beat. It arrived with the front wheel attached, only needing the canopy and the 2 large wheels to be added. Updated with more comfort features, the Glide 3 has a built-in leg rest. There's an upright, comfortable seat with an adjustable recline. And there's a full coverage canopy with ventilation, making for a comfortable ride anywhere and everywhere. Designed for active parents like us, the Thule Urban Glide 3 offers a combination of comfort, functionality, and performance on any surface. The swivel front wheel effortlessly maneuvered through crowded streets and amusement parks. Number 3. Thule Chariot Cross Multisport Trailer. The Thule Chariot Cross takes the idea of a multi-use stroller to a whole new level. No matter which activity piques your interest, this is the stroller to take out and go. The trailer makes it so functional. Yes, it's a jogging stroller, but it's a walk-around, Disney touring, hiking functional stroller for 2 kids. It's easy to convert between activities, so the kids can come along on the morning bike ride, the winter ski, or a stroll around town. The adjustable handle and reclining seat make it comfortable and accessible for parents and toddlers alike. The Chariot Cross has all the features imaginable, and then some. It's not just the best running stroller, it's also the best skiing stroller, biking stroller, and overall travel system for kids who need safety and comfort. Number 4. Bob Gear Jogging Stroller. The Bob Gear Revolution Flex 3.0 Dually has the same amazing features as Bob Gear's single strollers, including the mountain bike-style suspension and the adjustable handlebar. The real difference on the Bob Gear stroller is the second seat. That's what we like about it, though. Bob Gear didn't make any significant shifts to change a great stroller and make it into something else. Of course, having a second seat will add some weight, but there isn't a discernible difference in handling and feeling. The bottom line is that it's got all the quality you want with the option for a second kiddo and the extra storage compartments to bring their snacks along as well. Parents love the sit-up, which helps them see out of the stroller well. It has a great, easy fold too. Number 5. Upabobby Jogging Stroller. If you live anywhere in or near a big city, you've likely been seeing these Upabobby strollers everywhere. The Upabobby Ridge all-terrain jogging stroller can be used from birth to 55 lbs. Many joggers have a car seat adapter for babies, but this has the option of a bassinet or car seat, which really makes it one of a kind. The Ridge worked as well on mellow trails as it does on city sidewalks, which is a bonus if you're a city dweller or visitor. Our tester jogged to the park, ran across lawns, and chugged up dirt trails in upstate New York, and this stroller felt smooth on every kind of terrain. The unboxing was smooth as well. The box was large, but that's because the stroller was almost completely assembled inside. It took us less than 1 minute to add the 3 wheels and the cup holder. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.